Hi guys. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Aditi and it is so nice to meet you. Okay guys, so today I'm not here, posting any vlog or anything. I'm just here doing a sit down video, which I really do not do, these type of videos. But yeah, here I am. So let's talk about what is going on and what is not. Let's see. Okay, I'll talk in Hindi and English, maybe mix, I don't know, whichever feel like, more comfortable. So yeah, मैं अभी आपको starting से बताती हूँ. So there is a point in everyone's life where you'll feel like okay, you are way too behind. Like I don't know, I just turned 18 like 2 months ago, and now suddenly I'm feeling like I don't know, maybe like I'm so like way too behind from everyone. Like everyone is figuring out their colleges. I mean, they are not even figuring out; they have all figured out. If you know what I mean, उनका सब कुछ already planned out है. They know what they are going to do with their life. But here I am just sitting in my घर के कमरे में and I don't know what I'm going to do with my life anymore. I mean, I really did not talk about these things with you at all. Like I know कि आपको मेरे बारे में बहुत कम ही पता होगा, as in like except studies and whatever. I completed my 12th, अभी result आया था, which I feel like I should not be telling you guys my marks because it's like I don't know. I never told anyone about my 10th, 12th, so I don't feel like it. It's not that I'm bad, okay. Okay, so yeah, 12th complete हो चुकी है. Now I don't know what I'm going to do आगे. So I don't know. The plan was not at all कि मुझे कुछ भी ऐसा करना है. Like in 11th standard, I knew that I was going to do JEE. Like था मुझे कि मुझे इसलिए मैंने PCM लिया था ताकि मैं आगे JEE क्लियर करूँ. But in the middle of like 11th standard, I knew कि नहीं, ये मेरे को नहीं पसंद है. I cannot do like not studying part, but like computer के आगे पूरे दिन बैठ के काम करना and whatever that was. I feel like that engineering is not made for me. So I quit that and then I was just focusing on maybe normal पढ़ाई. And then I don't know, but there was this thought in the like back of my mind, like there was this thought कहीं ना कहीं कि you know what, you are creative, you can do something in that. And I was like कि I don't know, but लोग हमेशा जिस चीज़ में अच्छे होते हैं ना वो उनको नहीं करनी होती. I don't know why, but that was my case, okay. So I thought like okay, let's take a chance and I prepared for a design entrance exam, which I don't think you know about all this, but yeah, I did for like 1 month only. And I know I'm kind of crazy कि मैंने पहले क्यों नहीं start किया, एक महीने पहले क्या ही हो जाता. And I hope that मुझे पहले कर लेना चाहिए था. बट एनीवेज आई एम नॉट रिग्रेटिंग दैट क्योंकि अभी आई एम वेट आई डोंट नो, बट मेरा फर्स्ट राउंड क्लियर हो चुका था उसका. देयर वर 2 राउंड्स एंड आई समवॉट न्यू कि ओके मे बी क्लियर हो जाएगा बट अच्छे मार्क्स नहीं आएंगे. ओके लेट्स रिज्यूम. सो या आई नो आई वाज टेलिंग अबाउट माय एग्जाम्स. सो या मेरे मन में था कि मेरा कहीं ना कहीं क्लियर हो जाएगा, बट आई वॉज श्योर कि मेरे अच्छे मार्क्स नहीं आएंगे. लाइक द स्कोर वो नहीं दिखाते फर्स्ट राउंड में. सो आई गॉट शॉर्ट लिस्टेड फॉर सेकंड राउंड एंड टू बी ऑनेस्ट आई डिड नॉट प्रिपेयर फॉर इट एट ऑल. एक भी दिन मैंने एक भी कुछ भी नहीं किया एंड आई रिग्रेट दैट टिल डेट. बट एनीवेज सो या वो एग्जाम देने मैं गई दमन. इफ़ यू न्यू, अगर तुम इंस्टाग्राम पे हो तो तुम्हें पता होगा, अदरवाइज मे भी तुम्हें शायद ही पता हो. आई डोंट नो, मैंने शॉर्ट में डाला होगा. ओके सो आई गिव दैट एग्जाम एंड टू बी ऑनेस्ट वो फर्स्ट राउंड से भी बहुत ख़राब गई थी. आई नो कि अभी तक रिजल्ट नहीं आया, टच वुड कि कुछ हो जाए, बट आई डोंट नो. आई डोंट थिंक सो. मतलब आई गेट अ कॉलेज बट आई नॉट गेट द टॉप कैंपस विच आई वॉज लाइक डिटरमाइंड कि मुझे वहाँ जाना है. बट आई डोंट थिंक आई गेट. बट लेट्स होप कुछ होगा. स्टिल लेट्स होप, ओके, बिकॉज I don't know, we cannot do anything except that. And I'm not even start for that क्योंकि I think कि अगर नहीं होगा I'll figure something out. But first result आ जाए. Like I am literally dying कि कब आएगा भाई, जल्दी आ जाए. अच्छा जाएगा खराब जाएगा बाद में देख लेंगे, बट आ जाए. ओके बट नहीं आ रहा. इंडिया नहीं रिलीज कर रहा है. I'm really sad for that. But why I'm saying but this many times I don't even know about. Also I was active on Instagram, like fully active. Okay, I posted continuously for maybe like 40 days होने वाले. I don't know हो चुके होंगे. I don't remember. I mean I am doing this 100 days challenge. Like मैंने पहले like I did first 30 days which got completed and one reel, to be honest, मेरी 50K के ऊपर views आ चुके हैं and I'm really so thankful for that क्योंकि उस reel ने मेरे follower count भी बढ़ाया. Like it went from 58 to 450 and above and it went like 470 yesterday, but अभी वो थोड़े कम हो रहे हैं and today it is 460. but I hope उससे ज़्यादा कुछ कम नहीं हुए because I cannot bear the emotional damage I get from that. I mean Instagram बार बार बढ़ाता है फिर कम कराता है. I really इससे अच्छा भाई हो, अगर ज़्यादा नहीं होंगे ना फॉलोअर्स तो वो ज़्यादा बेटर रहेगा instead of decreasing with time. So yeah, now this video I will not even edit it like अच्छे से. I know I'll post it like that. Maybe cover page को I'll put something title or I don't know anything. But yeah, this is a sit down video. I normally do not do it, but since it's my first one, I hope कि कुछ बना के at least something I'll post because really I'm not getting anywhere. 44 subscribers and that's it. I mean okay, I am not consistent. It is upon me, but still it's the case. And I don't need to sugarcoat anything for that. So yeah, I did get some followers on Instagram. I'm happy for that. I'm starting my content creation really in hope ki okay, one day I'll get somewhere. And yeah, that's it for this video. Maybe I don't think मैंने आपको कुछ भी नहीं बताया ऐसा है. Almost सब कुछ मैंने बता दिया. Also, if you don't know, this is my new home. Yeah, home to back, but I don't think I am comfortable with that. I don't know. If you guys will request, sure, but not for now. I'll give you a room tour, by the way. Yeah, that is like okay. And yeah, already आपने देख लिया होगा. घर का vlog तो आया ही था. So maybe you watch that. नहीं देखा है तो जाके देख लो. And what's left is, अगर मेरे 1000 followers Instagram पे होंगे, then I'll get a mic for myself. That is like true. Yeah, मेरी background noises काफ़ी आते हैं like videos में, इसलिए. Also, I'm picking up on my hobbies that I left in between everything. I picked crochet, like I started today only because I received a parcel of like a crochet kit. I'll show you, like very beginner friendly, like very beginner. Okay, there are just 5 yarns and nothing more, a needle, and I don't even know कि उनको क्या बोलते हैं. Also, I'm picking up on my guitar and I'm doing some creative stuff every day for like one reel because I'm doing the series on Instagram, anything but doom scrolling. And yeah, I make one product each day, so yeah, you can check that out. I mean, here is the ID. You can check my Instagram account. I don't really know कि मैं क्या बात करूँ. I mean, I don't even know. I don't even have any topics. Yeah, my life is way too bland. Like no taste, no spice, nothing. Boring. I'm not even happy about that. But still, it is what it is. I don't need to sugarcoat anything, right? Yeah, I'll make a video of 18 things I learned at 18. If you don't know, I turned 18 on March 12th. So yeah, I mean, it is a big deal for me. Every birthday was, but I never got to celebrate it just like I wanted, and I'm not complaining. I mean, be grateful for what you have. That's it. Let me end this video here. I hope that what I can even say, I will not say that I hope you like this video because there was nothing to like. So yeah, if you don't know me, maybe you can check my profile, or maybe you can follow me on my Instagram. Check that out because I'm active there mostly. And you can also subscribe my channel here. I'm not applying that. You should, but you can obviously, if you want to support me. Also, I want to tell you the 2 reasons that I'm doing content creation. First of all, I love it. Yeah, I don't care about views, I don't care about my haters, I don't care about any numbers of, I mean, I care, I'm not lying, but I don't care in a way ki, oh, if I'll not get this much views, I'll stop. No, that's not the case with me, because I really love, so I don't care about the numbers I'm getting, for now at least. So the second reason is money. I mean, of course, everyone knows it and there's no shame to talk about it, because content creation pays a lot. I have seen people earning a lot from it, and I mean, trying doesn't make it really hard. I mean, we should at least try before giving up. Also, there's a plus point that if you are doing what you love and you will get paid to do it, I mean, what's the harm, right? And yeah, I'll not bore you with my more chopper, so let's end this video here. Bye.